Hi guys, welcome in and/or welcome back to my channel, Home of Christy T. I'm Christy T, interior designer, content creator, and lover of all things home decor and DIY. In today's video, I'm excited to be sharing with you 3 affordable last-minute gifts that you can make this holiday season for anyone on your Christmas list, as well as a few special ways that you can customize your packaging to make your gift extra special this year. So let's get started. So project number 1 is dedicated to your friend who's all about her bag. That's what I said. This project is the best DIY because you can pick this item up from Target and it comes in several different colors to fit the personality of who you're looking to give this to. Like I said, this product is available at Target. I picked it up for about $10 and I got it in the color pink because of course. Anywho, this project is perfect because all you need is a Cricut, or you can pick up a sticker that speaks to them. First things first, we are measuring our wallet to make sure that we have the accurate size for either the sticker that we're buying or the sticker that we're making. Next, you want to just go ahead and apply set decal, and that will be it. Once you have applied your die cut or your sticker, that project is done. On to project number 2. We've all given a friend a candle, and this time if you're in a pinch and you really need to give a candle, make it extra special this year. Today we're going to be taking this Bath & Body Works candle and we're going to be changing this label out to make it a little bit more custom to the person we're giving it to. First thing you're going to want to do is remove the label itself. You can do this with an X-Acto knife or any type of sharp blade. Just be careful when doing this so that you don't cut yourself. And it is simple as that. Get it off, and now let's put on our custom sticker. Now, as with the first project, you can use stickers or you can use any other type of material. You can also paint this as well, but if once again you are in a pinch and you do have some type of die cut machine such as a Cricut, then I highly suggest making something that is custom to the person that you're giving it to. And I want to put this design / custom saying on this candle for this person. And once you have done that, you are all done, and this is what it looks like. On to project number 3. So for this project, you will need a simple picture frame. You can choose this to be as ornate or as simple as you like. You're going to go ahead and disassemble that picture frame. And if you've been following along for a while, you know that I have been using up these wall blush samples that I received in the mail for my office for a while. And I've been finding different ways to customize them and use them in projects as well as in things that I've been making for myself. And that is what we're going to go ahead and do today. I am using the full wide wall size of this sample, and I think this is the perfect way to customize the backing of this frame or any frame that you decide to choose. So you're going to go ahead and trace that out and cut it out, and we're going to go ahead and apply that to the back portion of our frame as well. Once you have that all done, it should look something like this, and then you can in fact go ahead reassemble your frame because you're going to want that extra pressure behind the frame itself while you do the next step. So part 2 of this project is to add your own custom message. I decided to do 2024 memories, and I created this design over in Canva and I printed it out using my Cricut, and we're going to go ahead and attach that using some transfer tape here. Now you can customize this to say whatever you like, and I think that really just adds that personal touch to this project. The perfect thing about this project is that you can do it as an add-on gift. You could use a Polaroid camera, purchase them a Polaroid camera in the color of their desire, and then give them this frame as well as a pack of Polaroid prints that they can use to add to this frame and really just kind of add their favorite memories of 2024 or whatever you decide to put in there. And it's really just going to make it such a special gift that they're sure to use. And once you have added your custom quote or whatever you decide to put on your frame, it should look something like this. And as always guys, please don't forget that if you decide to recreate any of these projects, to share them with me over on Instagram at Home of Christy T. I would love to see how your projects turn out and how you put your own customizations and spins on these projects. If you can't customize the gift itself, you might as well have some customized packaging. This final project that I want to share with you guys today is a way that you can customize the gift that you're giving, even if you can't customize the gift itself. So I picked up this pack of acrylic tags from Michaels for about $9.99, and you're going to want to remove that plastic film before you apply anything to this. And then I just wanted to show you really quick how that you can create your own decal using the Cricut. I am using a Barbie decal here for example, but once again, customize this to whoever you're giving it to. You can add their name, their favorite toy, their favorite brand, whatever you want it to be. Fully customize it according to them. Once you have your decal or your sticker ready, you can go ahead and just simply peel that apart and transfer it onto the acrylic tag itself. Now there are many ways that you can choose to customize this even further, but we're going to stop here for this. And I just think this is the perfect way to add a special touch to any gift, whether you customize it yourself or you picked it up from the store. This is just going to add that personal touch to make them feel extra special this year. Once you're done, your project should look like this. I made a couple of these and I think they're going to be the perfect addition to the gifts that I'm giving this holiday season. So if you're watching and you receive one, just know that it came with love and it came with a little bit more specialness this year as it was featured on my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so that is going to be all for today's video. I do hope that you enjoyed coming along for these last minute Christmas gift ideas. If you do decide to recreate any of these projects, please don't forget to tag me over on Instagram at Home of Christy T. I would love to see how you customize these projects and how you put your own spin on them as well. If this is the last video before Christmas and or the last video of the year, I do hope that you guys enjoy your Christmas break, enjoy your holiday season, and that you have the best Christmas of all. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.